Hey guys, Dean and I are working away on the 59 Buick today, so I thought for our Thursday video I would present a look at what Myles is going to be doing this winter. He's working on another 1960s C-body Dodge, well, anyway, I'll let him show you guys around the car. Hope you enjoy, and yeah, say thanks to Myles for recording this. I think he'll keep us up to date throughout the winter as he goes through the engine and such and body on this Dodge. I believe it's a Dodge Monaco. Enjoy. We'll see you shortly.
Okay everybody, I thought I'd just take you on a little tour of this winter's project. This is my brother-in-law's 66 Dodge Monaco, Canadian version, so it's not a Monaco 500. It would be if it were American, I believe, but that's not the case here. What do we have inside? Nice mousy 383 factory 4-barrel dual exhaust combo. It's one of my favorite powertrains. You guys know that if you've been watching. We're going to yank that out, go through it, gasket it, maybe throw some rings and bearings at it. Maybe a bit of a lumpy cam because this thing is really tame, even though it does have the factory 4-barrel. Same powertrain that's in my 66 Fury, like literally identical. This one just needs a little refreshing. And then we'll see, we'll make a decision if we're going to paint all the engine bay and stuff inside here. I think we probably will. It's looking a little rough here and there, but overall unmolested. We picked up this car I think 10-15 years ago, and the plan was that when my Fury got finished we would get on doing this car, and Dave's been really patient with me. The Fury is more or less finished besides a few details, so it's time that I get started on this guy. You can see it's not terrible, although this could be hiding a lot of secrets behind it. I hope not, but put holes in rockers and stuff to mount them. Guess we'll discover when we disassemble. These are not good signs. Seen a bunch of rust around those. It's a nice little screw right through there, and it's busted as well, so there's not much loss there. Least favorite top. These vinyl tops, man, I just hate them. It just welcomes so much rust. Somehow this roof seems to have survived. See what we find behind there. We dig that out. It's odd to see screws on the outside of these because my Fury will bolt it from the inside. Discover what's going on there. Yeah, I think we got a little rot down here in the corners. Again, some more screws right through the panel. At least that doesn't look like that should be there. We got a few holes, but there is a lot of metal here. Yeah, it looks a hell of a lot better than my Fury. Inside, the lip feels pretty solid, except maybe right around here. We'll have to do some cutting in there. These are really bad down in here too. It feels a little rough in there, a little flaky. We'll discover more once we get this thing up in the air and tear it apart. It's got the same sweet interior that my Fury has, same design, same steering wheel, in fact, but it gets a different horn ring from Monaco. Canadian version Dodge Monaco's got the crappy Plymouth dash. I say crappy because American Monacos have two gorgeous humps here with all the gauge clusters inside, and it's just gorgeous. Got ourselves buckets console. It's nice. Little heater. Somebody was putting this through the winter once upon a time. It's really outfitted identical to my Fury. It's kind of amazing, really. And we get into the back. I don't know if we're going to be able to save that carpet. Dave was telling me the other day I had bought him carpet as a gift for Christmas one year, so that's kind of sweet. Headliner looks really good. I think that will survive. just fine. And the chrome has got moist over storage in years, so we're going to have to take it off and clean it all up. But this is going to be more of a cleaning than it is a total resto, I think. That's exciting for me. It's less work. Gonna need some front seats. Everything's pretty solid still. Need a windshield. Same old stuff. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this car. It's everything that my Fury was not. It makes you wonder why I saved that Fury. But since we can do that, we can do anything. And down here we've got a little bit of rot. A few holes to take care of. But again, you know, just the last couple inches. When I started with my Fury, you couldn't even tell that there was a wheel lip here. Got a little bubbling there that's going to have to get addressed. Inside here feels really solid, actually. That's amazing. And all along this wheel lip on the inside feels really good. It's just this outside here. Even the dash pad seems to have survived very well in this car, which is really incredible to me. That just never happens. You never live long. Not by the time we find them. Any surprises in here? No. A few of the disassembly letters. That glove box looks in really good condition. Man, maybe the mice didn't get inside too much. Doesn't seem like it's full of mouse shit in here. You never know. That's pretty cool. I'm kind of afraid to plug it in, but it's... Oh hell, what am I talking about? That's not a heater. It's an 8-track cassette player. Idiot. Anyway, very cool. What do we have back here? Rear air and speaker. I wonder if it's got the fading speaker box in there. Looks like we're missing a kick panel over there. Oh, get inside there. Battery hold down. A few little trinkets. Yeah, it's going to be a fun winter. I'm really looking forward to getting this thrown together. Do a little stitching on that. Little things have come apart. It does not have a day nightmare. I don't think my Fury does either. Just a lot of cleaning. Door panels look really nice. I don't think there's going to be that much work to do in this interior. Maybe swap carpet, recover front seats, clean, and good to go. Hopefully there's no holes under that floor. Door jambs are nice and solid. Some paint flaking off, but no rust of any kind. That's fantastic. Even these doors look amazing. There's like no rust in those edges at all. How great is that? Should be able to whip this off in 6 months or less. It's always worse once you get into it. But based on what I see, we've got rear quarters to deal with. Oh, there's an awful dent here in the side of the car. Not sure if people noticed that earlier, but right there, and all that's kicked in. Looks like maybe you're right all the way up to there. Good thing we know somebody that can deal with dents for us, because I'm not so great at that. They're beautiful, massive taillights that take up almost the entire width of the car. And those are going to look so nice when they're glowing at night. It's going to be a fun toy. No dealer badges or stickers that I see. of this guy. Kind of cool. But I don't see anything from the dealer, unless it's been removed already. Taillights in the rear bumper, different from a 66 Fury. Couple little differences, but these all look really nice. Oh, a little busted there maybe. Hopefully we can find another one. Okay. Bumper looks to be in good shape. I don't see any major damage back there. Maybe a bit of a dent on the other side, but pretty minor. And a huge bumper. That's got to be 100 pounds. It's a dual exhaust down below. And if I remember right, I already put a 354 Sure Grip in the back end of this guy. So it's literally identical to the Fury setup right now. I know we did brakes on this car many years ago, just so it was safe and Dave could drive it from place to place. Gave it a bit of a tune-up, but that was a long time ago. I think we're going to have to go through this stuff again. I think I've got an extra set of C-body high-flow manifolds that we could add on there just to help the engine breathe a little. Get a little extra power out of this guy and have some fun. Alright, I think this more or less ends the tour.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much, Myles, for filming that for us. And I do look forward to various updates throughout the winter as we get to see that lovely Monaco come together. So till then, for me and Dean, and well, Frankers is off somewhere.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll see you Saturday for more of the. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.
Same old shit.